Yeah, after looking at today's news, that speculations of Dr. Mukul and Hack going to Calcutta, in joining Trinamool Congress (TMC). With that, I think a little bit of divide is there. Maybe some misunderstanding between their leaders. I don't know. Maybe some differences between Mukul and then few other leaders, because Congress has done a lots of created a lots of problem before also. Like for example, I was one of the Congress minister, Snioba was one of the Congress minister, and then Komingumbon was also. So even our Tensong also. So that way, there was a lots of divide. Separate, divided was there actually from before. So right now, I don't know who is behind all those situation. But as you can say right now, since Dr. Mukul is not there anymore, it seems maybe he just wanted to be a leader. But now, since his team is not, you know, a party, I mean, the party president, that's why maybe he is trying to, create his own party. Maybe that's the, after today's newspaper.
So, like it is said that if Dr. Mukul leaves Congress, the Congress will wipe out in Garhwals. In such scenario, do you see NCP as the next alternative emerging from Garhwals, sir?
No, right now I cannot speak on that. As I've told you, actually, uh, it's the people who decides. You see, people don't vote for the party. People vote for the party, but people should vote for their themselves. Actually, people should vote for themselves, not for party, not for any MLA. Okay, when they will think seriously about voting for their own community, for their own people, for their own town, I think in the future, no such kind of activity, separation, all those kinds of, agitation will be there anymore. People should think properly even before choosing any party or any individual, because they should vote for themselves, not for any party, neither for any MLA.